How to solve 9 power x minus 3 power x is equal to 1. Find the value of x. So 9 power x is same as 3 power 2, then bracket power x minus 3 power x is equal to 1. Now here you can apply rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, you can compare here. So it will be 3 power x, then bracket power of 2 minus 3 power x is equal to 1. Now we see 3 power x, both term is same. So let 3 power x is substituted by t. So our equation will be t square minus t then is equal to 1. Now we can write here t square minus t, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula. So you can write here t is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, then b is as negative 1, then c is as negative 1. Now t will be equal to minus b, that means negative 1, that means it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means a negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1 then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here t is equal to minus times negative 1, that means it will be positive 1, then plus or minus a square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means positive 1, minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here t is equal to 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or t is equal to 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that let 3 power x is substituted by t. So t, that means it will be 3 power x then is equal to 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. or t, that means 3 power x is equal to 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 3 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative. So this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. You can write here log of 3 power x is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so you can write here x log 3 is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 3 in both sides. So divided by log 3 divided by log 3. So this log 3 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2, then base of 3. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 28 plus 4 to the power 28 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 28, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 28 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 28 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 28, that means 56 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 56 plus 1, that means 57. So 2 to the power 57 is the correct answer.